Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning, and it's 8:56, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 612. Well, there's plenty of news around, none of it particularly great, but nonetheless, here we go. Microsoft had earnings last night. It was up as much as $17 in late trading. Then by the end of the late trading, it was only up about $12. Now it's only up $5.50. 237.75 up 550 or 2.38. This is one of the big reasons that the futures were so strong last night, and it just disappeared. But there's more to it than that. AMD also beat top and bottom, was up as high as 99.98 excuse me, and last night's closing video, it was 94.40. This morning it's 91.16, down 355, 3.6%. Texas Instruments was soft last night, down $4 and change right now. Starbucks was soft last night, but not like this. It's 101.75, down 294 on very poor same store sales. They were expecting down about 3.5%. They came in at down 5%. Las Vegas Sands has a new CEO. Nothing really to mention there. Morning earnings today. Telephone with a bit of a beat, but it was down earlier. It was 28.93, down 82. It has recovered a little. 29.63, down only 12. Not so much for Boeing. Boeing not only missed, but the loss was bigger than expected. The stock is $193.18, and that's down just under $9, 4.7%. And for the ludicrous part of the market, GameStop was up as high as $367. Last right now is still nothing to sneeze at, even though it's $145 off the high. It's $232, and that's up 85. And AMC, a company which wasn't worth $3 when it was trading there a couple of days ago, 17.55, up 12.57, 256%. No real explanation except for the short squeezes that were going on. Asia and Europe are both mixed. The S&P is indicated down about 40. The Dow is indicated down about 300, and the NASDAQ down about 100. The Dow was actually down about $50 more than this about a half hour ago. Durable goods orders were a major miss. They were up 0.2%, and the expectation was for up 0.8%. So that's a big miss. We have other earnings tonight. We have Apple, we have Facebook, we have Tesla. And by the way, Apple was just noted by Brand Equity as, for the first time in 5 years, the most valuable brand, beating out Amazon. The chart on the screen here is the Bitcoin. It continues to look short, like a short. It keeps trying to make a move to the upside, but you can see clearly we crossed through that the 5 going through the 20 yesterday, and they tried to rally it and close it down only about 1800 this morning. They tried the high. Yesterday's high was 32,845. Today's high is 32,925. But right now it's sitting on the low at 30,510, and that's down 1440. On our positions, we are short this market using the UVXY calls. We are short the oil, which is down 9 or 10 cents, but we are long the nat gas, which is up 6.5 cents. Gold is down about $12, silver 40 cents, platinum is down 34, palladium down 12.5. that's really about it as far as changes, with the exception, of course, of the lumber, which is headed towards a new high over its high 859 and change. It closed 855.10 yesterday, which was limit up bid, none for sale. So I'm going to guess that's going to go further. And we have the FOMC decision this afternoon. I don't expect to be any kind of change, but the dollar is much stronger. 90.58 up 43. I'll give you a look at that one because I'm curious too. Okay, so we are bouncing off this 20-day moving average. The 5-day looks like it's trying to turn up. It did go through here to the upside back around, this close was around 90. Yeah, 90.33. So we are trying to move up. We could easily break through this high at 90.94, but I definitely don't think we're going anywhere above 91.5, 92. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It is treacherous. And have a good, safe day, and we'll talk tomorrow. By the way, this evening. And there'll be something in my daily note tonight about futures, because when you get a market that acts as crazy as this one does, then futures are a really solid alternative, because they are, excuse me, a non-correlated asset, as I have written in my weekly letter for the last 6 weeks. Have a good one.